Hi, for this video we're going to write the equation of a line that passes through the point 4, -1 and is also parallel to the line y equals -3/4 x minus 3. Anytime that it says that it's parallel to something else, remember that parallel lines have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Which means that they go up at the same rate, up or down at the same rate, but they pass through different places on the y-axis. So with this, the -3/4, this is going to be our slope. So since the two lines have to have the same slope, we would pull the slope from here, and then we would use this point, and we're going to use the point slope form of a line, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope, and this point right here would be our x1 comma y1. The x1, y1 is just a point that the line crosses through. So we're going to take and plug that information in. I'm going to replace the y1 with -1. And you could just write y plus 1. Normally I go directly to that, but when I'm instructing or showing it, I always show out all of the work. And then we would have x minus 4. And I'm going to put this into point slope form just because, slope intercept form, just because that's the most worked with form of the equation of a line. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get y by itself. So I'm going to simplify this to y plus 1. And I'm going to distribute the -3/4 on the other side. So I have -3/4 x. For this, remember that it's really 4 divided by 4, which is going to be 1, so this is going to cancel. So I really have -3 times -1, which would give us +3. And then our last step is just to get the y by itself, so I would subtract 1 from both sides, and we would end up with y equals -3/4 x plus 2. Most likely this is the form that they're going to ask for it in. Like I said, slope-intercept form is the most often used form of an equation of a line. If you had to get it in standard form, you would just get x and y on the same side, and you would multiply everything by 4 to get rid of the fraction. As always, thanks for watching.